Just thought I'd show you my assistant here for holding down the brake pedal. I wanted to check the brakes for leaks. I didn't have anybody to hold the brakes for me, so that's my help in there. Bottle of Lucas anti-gel and a pair of needle nose pliers. And I couldn't notice, I couldn't find any audible leaks. Again, at least nothing that I could hear. Except for the one here in the dash. And there's a crack there on the fitting here for the safety parking valve. So that's a bitch. But yeah, so that's it there. I couldn't find any leaks anywhere else. I just thought that'd be interesting.